The Samoan word for today is Pūlouaitu, which means mushroom. I know there might be some controversy here because I think the technical term is talinga or kalinga, which is ear. And that makes sense too, but I like Pūlouaitu better because literally it means like the hat, a ghost hat, right? That makes sense. But also it could mean like a haunted covering, right? So like you see a tree and you see the mushrooms growing on it or the fungus growing on it, it looks like the tree is haunted, right? That makes sense. Anyways, if you're tired of being haunted by your Fa Samoa not being the greatest, or you want to improve on it, then check out the digital downloads in the Midwestern Samoa store. And also, if you're interested in the one-on-one lessons, just let us know. So yeah, Pūlouaitu, mushroom or fungus.